Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to another episode on Prec Media. Today's episode, we'll be watching me dump some beautifully shot car photography onto this beautiful screen you're now watching. What I did was I went to Sherwood Motor Cars with my Bell Howell 35mm. I shot on some very lustrous film. I don't know what it was, but the colors are muted, but in a way deeply saturated. Couldn't tell you which film it was, but I know it was ISO 400. I also shot some Ilford HP5 black and white at Sherwood Motor Cars and Sherwood Customs. Sherwood Customs, I captured a lovely lifted truck out front, a beautiful purple C10, of course, Color of Kings, can't go wrong with that one. And then they had a wicked Corvette sitting in the showroom, and the light from the windows behind me when I shot it just glistened perfectly on it. So sit back, relax, listen to my monotone grating voice all the way till the end, or till you fall asleep. Whichever one suits you best. Sit back and enjoy. But don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified when we drop another video. Till then, enjoy these beautiful pictures. Thank you. These next shots are the 488 Spider shot through the handrails of Sherwood Motor Cars, then from on top of the platform deck down to see the stripes, just kind of giving a linear line through the thing, a little off center, and then shot through the grating of the handrails. It came out actually pretty decent. I then decided to muddy the frame of this Capristo with the pillar dead kind of on the tire just to give it a little bit of character, and then shot further back, got a little bit wider, and came even further, like wide shot of the Capristo from the other side just to capture the whole entailment of the car. We finished Sherwood Motor Cars off with just a slight hint of the STO peeking through. Looks ever so lovely. All in all, I like the outcome of all these photos with the film just because it gives it a different character than digital does. It's not as clear and crisp. It has texture to it. It's a very beautiful composition with film. Honestly, you can't tell me that these pictures don't just have a different character to them with the warmth and the coolness and the grain that's just popping off the paper. The C10, just rich, lustrous purple. The shadows, the contrast, they all seem to just come together collectively inside of film photography. Like this Corvette's blue just has different hues and saturations to it while sitting nicely within the beam of sun. Like just gorgeous, gorgeous shots. Now if you've stuck around this far to the end of the episode, we actually stopped off at a third spot. We stopped off at Edmonton Porsche Center and shot in Ilford black and white. So if you listen to the beginning, you would have known that. So here are those shots. Do enjoy these. And as always, please like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when we drop the next video. Thank you, and come again.